Hi everyone, so this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. First I'm just putting on some white paint, spreading it around to try and encourage the paint that I pour on later to flow just a little bit better. So I'm making sure it's nice and smooth. I'm using a cup that I previously used in my last video, so that's why there's already some paint on the edge. It's already kind of dirty, and I'm just using some leftover paint for this smaller canvas. So all the paint that I'm using, I used in my previous painting. I have a video for that as well. So I just wanted to make this painting to use all my leftover paint. Got some of that light pink, just a little bit left. And in my first painting, I didn't use much of that magenta color. So this painting will have a lot more of that magenta color compared to my last one. And all the paint's layered up. All right. Looking very pretty. I love this combination of colors. They go really good together. Alright, so I'm going to start tilting my canvas to spread out the paint. This really is such a fun process, seeing how the colors start to stretch and how it makes different shapes. It's very satisfying to create these paintings. Also on the bottom of my canvas I have little thumbtacks. That's so whenever my painting's drying and it's setting down on the ground or wherever I have it drying, the paint that flows off has space to go. That way the paint doesn't form or get stuck to the bottom of the canvas. Because if I were to lay it flat on the ground, the canvas would get stuck to the ground instead of being able to drip off nicely. So you can see I have the paint over most of my canvas. Now I'm just kind of deciding how I want to do the final stretches. I really like the purple in combination with the blue. I think it looks really nice and pretty. I'm just tapping the edges right now where there's a little bit of canvas showing to kind of cover that up with paint. Make sure everything's covered. All right. Just a little bit more tilting. All done. Alright, so I really like the way this one turned out. The upper right hand corner is so pretty with the blue and the white. I love the way some of those cells appeared. I also really like this peachy pink stripe going through. I think that's very pretty. And the bottom with the dark purpley pink colors and the blue with a little white. I'm very happy with the way this one turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.